It's a fucking food break. I'm taking some pills. I've got leftovers. We got chicken, rice, and some garlic bread. There's a little bit of edamame in the rice. I overcooked the garlic bread last night. Who gives a shit? Still gonna eat it. I don't waste shit. It's kind of like a peanut buttery sauce on the side. Mmm. Probably could have heated it up more. I don't give a shit. This was the food that I made yesterday before we watched Waking Life. And I made it mostly with the intention of not falling asleep because I was dying at that point yesterday. Got some gochujang on the garlic bread, which I'm very much in love with at this point. I love gochujang.
Hi Adam. It's been a couple years since I've been here, but I'm subbed again and I'm now at a whole 2 years of being subbed. Thank you for all the great content over the years.
Thank you so much. Ezoic Riff.
What you eating there?
Leftovers from yesterday. Chicken, rice, edamame, peas, garlic bread, gochujang, and some like kind of peanut buttery sauce.
You found out that you really like gochujang thanks to the twink salad, didn't you?
Yeah.
Sorry, my stomach's very sick from I had the flu vaccine and I might have, a little bit of the flu now. So if I'm gone, I don't respond, I had to go to the bathroom. Listening to your ASMR crunch actually is pretty nice. Gochu with chili powder is very good.
I'm so hungry I could eat out a horse.
Da 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 ching. What if it was like a little horse like laid out like with sushi or something on it? Just eat out of the horse that way.
I enjoy leftovers because I hate cooking.
Next time we're together, I should plan on bringing some shit and I could just cook. I'll bring a little portable stove thing. Cook you some actual food.
Ooh. There are also some hot chilies on the chicken, so a little bit of heat.
Good, that'll go really well with the flavor you chose, so it's fine.
Very satisfying to not have to cook that food today. I cooked it yesterday. But was it a window of time that I couldn't really do anything other than cook anyway?
I'm lucky since everybody's doing this. It's wrestling day for everybody, so I was able just to get food. It was already here.
Ugh.
Did you have enough chimkin?
Yeah. I'm like I'm in a good routine for like portion size and hunger and energy right now, which will be
good.
broken as soon as I'm in Toronto because my parents will be there. But for now, I can lose a little bit of weight and then not feel as bad.
Yeah. I just noticed your shirt, by the way, and I cannot wait to force everybody to watch that movie.
It's great.
I want that shirt. Was it on their website, I'm guessing?
I bought it at the Fantasia Festival premiere, actually.
Nice.
Although I don't think that was the first screening of the film, but it was the first of that at Fantasia Festival in 2023.
Well, yeah, this is also this year's when it was officially released, right?
Yeah, like their wide release. So
Yeah, like
it was in
everywhere, not just,
festivals since like the end of 2022, I think.
I watched it a month and a half ago. It was on. You could rent it on stuff. So
Yeah.
every Tuesday, me and my friends would sit down, watch movies, have tacos, and this was one of them. We're like, we're just gonna watch that. Man, I was glad we did. We usually watch some really bad movies.
That's dope. All right, I'll be right back. I'm just going to put this plate not on my desk. You know what? I'm going to be honest. That meal, 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
I overcooked the garlic bread, and also it's leftover, and just kind of
Well, we know you can't cook, so we would know that already.
So
you could cook, but it takes a lot of effort to cook.
I hate it.
So and time, which you don't have.
Yeah, I need to win the lottery and then have a private chef, and I'll be fine. So that should be my goal. So
Yeah.
if let's say I allocate a certain amount of my income every month to lottery tickets, then I think that's a good plan.
Hey, I'll be your chef.
Yeah.
I'll cook for you. It'd be easy.
50% of my income to lottery tickets, and then
You'll be
I'll
like,
fine.
what are you eating today? It's like, oh, the cat chef's doing it.
Mm-hmm.
Not to be confused with cat.
Not
chef.
to be confused with Cat Chef.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back. I'll be quick.